And Mandeville Mayor Donovan Mitchell is warning of a zero-tolerance approach to persons whose action caused drains in the parish to be blocked. It comes as a local authority increases preparations ahead of the June 1 start of the 2026 Atlantic hurricane season.
Persons are not allowed to build and block drains. Because if you build and block drains, it is simple. We will get the equipment to remove whatever is placed on the drain. Because that is the problem we're having. When you block the drains and the water second on the roadway and they can't run off, the road become impassable, and we talk and cuss our politicians that they're not doing anything when we, the citizens, are the persons creating the problems.
The mayor says he will be out with the municipal corporation's technical officers to find and prosecute persons found dumping aggregates onto roadways, which also blocks drains and contributes to flooding during heavy rains.